Timesheets, review and approvals. This dashboard allows admins and supervisors to review staff timesheets, approve leave requests, and export payroll data from one central workspace. Users can filter records by staff, job number, client, and date range to quickly find submissions. Quick filter buttons such as Today, This Week, Approved, and Waiting Approval help speed up navigation. The timesheet table displays staff details, work hours, breaks, total hours worked, and approval status. Admins can also add new timesheets, submit leave requests, and export records into CSV format for payroll processing. Payroll exports smartly/iPayroll. This section allows approved work hours and leave data to be exported directly into Smartly or iPayroll. The setup process includes linking staff to payroll employee codes, mapping leave types to payroll import codes, and configuring overtime or special pay rules such as weekends, public holidays, and night shifts. Admins can then select a payroll period, choose staff records, and generate a payroll export file ready for upload into the payroll system. Weekly Guaranteed Hours Tracker. The Weekly Guaranteed Hours Tracker helps monitor staff progress against guaranteed weekly working hours. The page displays total guaranteed hours, hours worked so far, remaining required hours, and the number of staff still needing hours. A detailed table shows each staff member's progress, including hours worked, guaranteed hours, and remaining hours needed. This helps supervisors manage scheduling and ensure employment agreements are met. Leave Summary. The Leave Summary page provides an overview of employee leave across the company. Users can filter records by leave year, status, leave type, or date range. The dashboard displays totals for approved, pending, and declined leave requests. Visual summaries and staff breakdowns help track annual leave, sick leave, unpaid leave, ACC leave, and other leave categories, while giving administrators visibility into employee leave history and balances. Agency Timesheets. The Agency Timesheets section manages external agency workers and contractor submissions. Admins can register agency companies, manage contact details, and filter agency timesheets by date range or provider. Submitted records include staff details, site address, work times, breaks, total hours worked, and approval status. CSV export functionality is also available for payroll and reporting purposes.